Mind Reader: How to Play. The object of the game is to be the first player to score 13 or more points. Shuffle the Mind Reader cards and place them on the table along with the spinner. Set 2 chairs back to back. Gather around the spinner and spin it to determine who goes first. On your turn, place the top 3 cards on the table for all to see. Now, you must either pick one of the cards or pick one other player to be your partner. If you pick the card, then the remaining players gather around the spinner and spin it. Whoever it points closest to is your partner. If you pick your partner, then the remaining players pick one of the 3 cards. Sit back to back with your partner, and each of you has an answer pad and pencil. Another player reads the questions on the back of the chosen card. You and your partner write down answers to each question without speaking or signaling each other. If the card says social soiree, then the who it refers to is someone in your group. Once finished, the answers are read aloud, compared, and points are scored. If you and your partner had 0 matches, then you both score 0 points. If you had 1 answer match, then you each score 1 point. If 2 match, then you each score 3 points. And if all 3 match, then you each score 6 points. The first player to score 13 or more points wins.